Abakama expenses.
Yeah.
Kumela ube imvula yanetha no, kumela ube, kumela zwakala. Imali khafa wo.
That's for you.
That's not a pressure.
My man, because
that's
not most of the time, but I think most of the time khafa, but sometimes maybe I'm chela baby was I feel. Mega be move obviously man will kiss you ukuthi me requestela ha.
But I call you pressure.
Like my man, mega figure me like how
this benefit away.
But I call you exactly. I call you pressure.
Yeah.
Pressure boy. It's whereby like baby, twana hammer with the girls. Or yes, baby lambil. Okay, kum ushaya imali nayo two clip but saying McDonald. Pressure lo. Mo
CK boy, it takes the baby.
Takes the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, takes the.
That's a problem.
Takes the baby.
Of course.
Yeah. You don't know.
Like let's use into like okay, I feel like that weight you would see Ntombazana ati weak and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Like it comes from if umchita ukhala about everything like because let's use into man.
You can't affect about everything.
Complaining.
Yeah, like you're always complaining. Is this ngani nje?
Yeah.
So when you told them you're right in the relationship, that's what you are implying.
Melukhali, my man, melukhali, but don't be insecure. Ukuthi mekathi ngiyahamba ngibangani bami, don't be insecure. Ayi wena kuni ninjalo hlezi, yabona le nto
yeah, because kunokungasithembi musuthi like kungayilapho.
Or you're saying that most girls
are incapable of doing that.
Can you please say that thing again and then you tell us if it makes sense?
My bad.
Guys, social media on 2 3. I don't think that's possible. Or maybe bank TV, maybe
Nah, it's not always.
So then
Me personally, I could see a mommy and like she'll hit a spot, boy. When I talk to Jens, I see this mom, she's Jens would tell me, nah, she's mid. Have you seen the hands on campus? But I still go for her, because like, you can feel it here.
That's what I said, like you see, there are like a 1 point difference in Pirates is some person, 57.
So if Pirates now, you feel like it is with that.
Pirates is the one with the bones, no?
Yeah.
They take it home.
I feel like, man, for the benefits of the game.
Welcome to another episode of Vibescape Origin Podcast. I want to find out Welcome to another exciting episode of Vibescape Origin Podcast. Do you know topic is of Toby?
But then now I'm not professional. I want to know what to call.
Oh,
skip on.
Otherwise,
Fili, come back.
They'll be sharing their opinions, Nati, so then it's gonna be an exciting episode, my brother.
I believe so.
I believe so.
Skipping
men's sessions.
Let's conference. Let's educate us.
Actually, let's know in Kabangana, and if I want to see any page under EVSOP that maybe men's conference because we had an episode of men's conference.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Men's session, and it was because we were educating each other. Yeah, well.
Man, I feel like
when it comes to what everything though.
How to treat a man.
So it's unfiltered conversation about that.
Unfiltered.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I feel like I'll be episode when you begin and I think most of the time this formula like this actually I'm Ntombazana with page. Then so this is a woman it depends, but it just depends on the page man. Let's see. That depends. I will page like I will page and get it or like we page in terms of routine. When you guys are something, maybe let's something out to maybe let's say hey, baby, I'm going out with the girls. I'm not mad. That's our baby.
Mad.
As a girl, like she's going out with her girls.
Oh yeah, out in the mad.
That also depends.
Why you going,
I
like-
don't trust hands.
Guys night out
Trust
now.
girls.
Only
I see.
better
She'll
to
tell
your
you that
wife,
she's
though.
going out with her
Yeah,
friends.
you made up straight.
Yeah.
And I bet just straight jump jail.
Girlfriends.
At this point, I
Girlfriends
don't
only.
even know how to match. I would say like immediate strict.
Exactly.
Yeah, how do you measure?
Specific to your wife. That's why I'm being specific. You
Umuntu
only better
mfake
your wife.
i-ring.
Only a ring. Or a malobot.
But that's how there's this thing like my expenses in children. And most of the time it just cover my expenses.
Yeah.
Kumela ube, imvula iyanetha no, kumela ube, kumela zwakala. Imali hafa u.
That's for you.
That's not better.
My man, because
That's
that's hafa u kanjani. That's hafa not most of the time, but I think most of the time hafa u, but sometimes maybe I'm chela baby was afiki. Mega bele move obviously man mini kisho ukuthi mele umrequestela ha.
But I call it better.
Like my man, mega fika mega
Because all of the
something.
day is benefit away.
But I call it exactly. I call it
Yeah,
better.
yeah.
Better boy. It's whereby like baby, twala hammer with the girls. Or yes, baby ngilambile, okay. Ushaya imali nayo 2 clip bathenge eMcDonald. Ubheja lo. Mawuthi uzofakela imali yokudla. So that's what I'm saying. Oh, ubhejela noma ucabanga mntwana unentombi ezo4. Futhi sesibhejela zonke. Let's be realistic bafethu. Anyways, let's move
Oh, bafethu. Asintroducanga nama-guest man. Oh, but I say after you appear.
Yeah, it's not bad because we're on like 3 minutes. I mean. Yeah. So yeah, Mufasa.
Asishaya government Mufasa wazangu Mufasa social media on TikTok everywhere around campus inkabi yakwizulu society.
Bekumele ngabe ukhona no angazi ukuthi uva.
Next time.
Ma bekumele ngabe ukhona and benzozwana.
Second half.
Yeah, second half.
Brother.
I ain't got nothing to it.
Just
some shit.
Some shit,
Nah, but yeah, I'm just TK, boy. Tix the baby.
Tix the baby.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Okay, Tix the baby.
Of course. Now she look like a dude.
Yeah.
You don't know?
That's
Go
all.
and tell us about it.
So ngakukhulu.
Yeah, but welcome.
Ask around, boy.
Welcome to our Vibescape Podcast.
Appreciate
The no topic is off topic.
Yeah. So here is home, my brothers. You can talk about anything. If you wanna vent, you can vent. It's fun.
Next don't cry. Next don't cry. This thing of, you see there's this trap about Charasfara Guyo, ne?
Yeah.
No, it's okay to be vulnerable. You can
Talk
talk
to
to
me.
me.
That's cool, man.
That's
What's
bullshit.
going on?
Facts.
Don't fall for the trap.
It's a trap.
It's a trap because uzokhuluma nozoqala uthi baby chick mafika abanganini bakhe that one is weak
Exactly.
you know how girls are.
Mara it depends ukuthi ka wena set standard sakho ku. If you are masculine enough, mekafika bangani bakhe anyaka 2 week. Let's say yazi kanjani? Let's say athi Ntombazana athi maybe let's say uyaventa kuye ne. Then sathi ucoce banganini. But if before uzomventela kuye you had a masculine frame yacaba ukuthi mekathe no mothe akayi lapho akayi naye vele anjalo umuntu utshela ukuthi maybe let's say baby mothe senza lento le nenza lento le like you've said like you are leading like you are the leader of the relationship then wena mama ulandelela yena every time mekathi baby jump and how high mekathi jump how high every time wena ulandelela yena like usemva kwakhe like every time mekakhuluma wena sokuwe like osemuva yena sekaphambili uyophethe like the upper hand
Man,
relationship.
do you think the girls of today, this generation of girls, they are able to differentiate between masculinity and controlling behavior? Because when you're being masculine,
They think you're controlling. That's what you think we need to discuss. We need to differentiate between the two.
So which is what? Who is what?
Okay, Buffett, I feel like as a guy, when it comes to relationship, you don't have to cry about everything. Like let's use into like okay, I feel like that weight you would see Ntombazana ati weak and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Like it comes from if umchita ukhala about everything Because kunezinye izinto man.
Yini ukukhala mfethu about everything.
Complaining.
Yeah, look, you're always complaining. Izinto ezincane nje.
Yeah.
So kumele ngithule engekho right in the relationship. That's what you are implying kahle kahle.
Melukhale, melukhale, but don't be insecure. Ukuthi mekathi ngiyahamba ngebangani bami, don't be insecure. Ayi wena kunini njalo hlezi. Yabona le nto
yeah, because kunokungasithembi most uthi like kungayilapho.
It's not about ukusithemba bafethu. As batshita angazi noma mhlawumbe nisuke nithi nithenga ifeesi yamacheri. Let's be realistic. Ingoba the reason why sizokhala singeke sizizwe like comfortable makathi bangani babo is because siyasazi isikeleni. Baphuma nesikeleni sokuthi mina bangani nginabojo knowing very well ukuthi uyakumdu number 2.
Yeah.
But uyayazi media, uyasazi schedule sakhe mfasa.
Do you now?
Fana, there's no such thing.
Uyayazi ukuthi media yakho you attend class, uyalala, ubukela ama movie, uyalala.
Angeke
you know umfonela baby kuphi. Uyasho ukuthi nani kuma video call 24/7. Then you have noticed ukuthi ayisike yithi siba different la ngathi lo muntu losebenza 1 2 3 ilapho uzobona khona ukuthi ni hayi la
Ntwana
ilapho uzoba insecure
khona boy yo shanga isikele esinzima
yabona if ukuthi wakwaba kwi-position ebhayo ushaya media yomuntu can never trust your own girlfriend because
yeah exactly
I was like next door to getting Mbambe so called. She was like, yo, ngesafunda, can you please call me later?
That's not your plan.
And then you tell me you must trust your mom. You must trust your mom. I never, Bafet, never.
There are good girls out there, Bafet. As people, Bafet, the percentage abantu abachitayo, the percentage abantu abakhema Bafet, real life. Hayi la face ibona social Bafet, real life impilo siphila, niyacaba Bafet, ayikho lento le.
Real life.
Real life.
Nika.
Yokuthi ka like percentage abokela abachitayo, nabokela abakela like Bafet real life.
Le show 18. Uzama ukuthini?
Most abokela abachiyo.
What you?
Real life. Yazi cheating khuluma ngani? Ukuthi gela akashaywe out.
Cheating.
That's the only cheating.
That's the only cheating.
Not ukuthi ka mame mina ngithi ka real life ugela ukuthi ava ayofleta nenye out ashaywe out. Bafet real life
It's real.
Okay, most percentage
before speaking now, what is cheating with what's cheating according to you?
that is different than my episode.
Yeah, mas no, ufuna ukana
Okay, for instance, this bash,
Sharp.
for new viewers.
Cheating.
We don't make a manya episode, Bafet. Yeah,
just to get the heads up.
Yeah.
So then the thing is show with like cheating thing. Explain cheating. It's when okay like afleta na manyama out. Ifleti whereby ukuthi okay ukhuluma na unikeza manama. Uyamtshela baby come over. Yazwakala. Kuye la out there. Mekathanda bakula maboyithuwe umileliwana. Bashekelana like kawo. Ama messages like bakhuluma constantly.
So that's
what
cheating.
according
And
to
then
you
you're saying that girls are incapable of doing that.
Ma'am,
Or you're saying that most girls.
most girls are incapable of doing that.
Can you please say that thing again and then you tell us if it makes sense?
My bad.
Mufasa. Social media ukuthi kuyenza kana 1 2 3. Mina kule life engiphila engibona ukuthi I don't think that's possible. Or maybe bangideceive, maybe
Abantu baslay.
Uyameta amawayelekile
Lautle.
There's some friends who
uyacaba ukuthi thina machita mafethu uyacaba ukuthi thina machita siwasi kanjani? Uyacaba ukugena ngamchita uyacaba ukugena somchita enke ukuthi ka thina machita ka so chita ka 5 wantu kela chita ka wantu bona ngathi avele nokudala yenza then mosuzama ama-5
they abona lamagama ngizowasho none akusiyo amagama ami as Mufasa amagama asho amachiri they will tell you straight out ukuthi the flop about you gents niyabanjwa thina as girls asibanjwa that is why state sub kube ngazuthi ama-gents do it more kahle kahle kugcina ngosu abachita they do it carelessly abochiri they've mastered the crafts of cheating uchiri mfethu mfana haya hey hayi no ndoda you can't say abochiri baningi abochiri abachitha abangachithi compared to ochiri abachithayo hlale campus mfethu you know very ngizokwenzela example ngeclass mina ngizoba eclass mfethu ungathi imele nechira yakho yoshela yangithola ubona uchiri afika bemdrop umchitha kata kumdrop umchita afike umchita number 2 ezomcheck amshayela ijini. The fact ukuthi ugeli wakho ebusuku yakhona ukuphuma for another guy whether ukuthi bayojola noma bokwenzani, the fact umchita can say yazi I'm outside aphuma ugeli wakho, that's cheating in a way. The fact ukuthi wena umchita entertaining another girl, that's also cheating. It's better by ngani emotional cheating. So okay, they've mastered the craft of cheating. Ugeli wakho engafika suke ashaya wena, you'll never know.
Unless you're
Unless
if as a friend,
but ama-times cheating abonakala kusaseningi just ukuthi thina we overlook them. That's why into ngisho like umuntu makacheat uyambona ukuthi hayi something is wrong la. Like sometimes ka bathi trust your gut feeling. They feel ukuthi hayi la something is wrong. Ukuthi maybe let's say maybe let's say problem affair. Unannounced nje uyafika mtshela ngaphandle icula iphuma. Then atshela into nyaka because you had your gut feeling ukuthi lo muntu lo uyenza 1 2 3 obvious ubhizi nomunye umuntu like I feel ka mebakshayela I feel ukuthi I mean I'm no something is wrong uthi ngangena yabona ukuthi
yekele filter that one. I know we said no topic.
Makuthi yabona nakuthi uyafika uyabona na ukuthi hayi next that's something that's when I can say ukuthi kam okay lakhona kumwana angisho ke like obusy naye
you can't
ojola naye
you can't
bafethu okay ojola naye into serious.
So Jens, what are you saying?
Like
you saying we shouldn't be in relationships at all.
We should, but be careful who you be in relationship.
So just have a backup plan.
And I don't understand
is cheating.
I don't understand these girls are
in the relationship.
Be choosy.
Do your thing.
Yeah.
Two are better than one.
Especially
China, these girls will zobona uzothi namhlanje uzopost ukuthi pro boys don't deserve no.
I want us to talk about that. Nah, I want us to talk about that. There's this thing like I think sikhulume ngayo last week whereby intombazane like level yethu ngifunda nawe every day, but you having the conception, you having ukuthi mina I will never date a guy who nesifasi kuphela. I'll never date a guy onganyaka ngiphethe 5,000. I'll never fetch 5K. Bakhona.
And you're a
mina
student.
ngikhuluma ngento eyenzakele kimi ma like listen I wasn't attacking I was in a plan of like attacking the girl, like sharing and stuff like that. Like we were just talking, we were just vibing, like talking to each other and stuff like that. Then we came to a point where like sikhuluma ngama relationships. Then now he started to say like he mentioned this by now I don't want to date a guy who ongana moto, I don't want to date ufuna uguy driver yo ozongilanda and stuff like that. Anyeke sizohole like sikhole NSFAS bese sizo dog, doesn't make sense. So that time like ekhuluma like what get ama what
calculate
what get ama points lawa yathika ukuthi na dasho qualify yes pass
It's your face.
but then I was
straight I'm
just vibing yabo
what do you have to offer? I've got the car, I've got everything. Now tell me what you have.
But you know,
but that's insane.
They have one answer to the question myself. That's the answer.
That's prostitution, can get.
Low key, actually not low key, dog.
What do you mean with I make you sense come now when I every day say attend my class Monday to Friday. How do you expect me to spend 5,000?
Exactly.
I see to every day.
But make a plan,
then Miss Mama hustling boyfriend, 12 hustling boyfriend,
What are you doing for a living? I'm hustling.
I'm hustling boyfriend. I'm a student by night, hustling boyfriend. I'm a student by day, hustling boyfriend by night.
I'm sure about again, man.
So spaghetti pressures. So spaghetti
At the end of the day, we should almost just so that you can flex about it. If we're being honest, there's really nothing that you benefit from. So it's just to flex.
Sometimes it's not about that.
Maka
Like,
multiple
it's
times,
cool,
it's
but like, cool.
ego. Many children go to jail and go again.
Nah, it's not always like that.
So then so
But
push
me
the
personally, I could see a mommy and like she'll hit a spot, boy. When I tell her Jens, I see this mommy. She's Jens would tell me, nah, she's mid. Have you seen the hands on campus? But I still go for her, but cause like you can feel it here.
That's what I said, like you
Like
say,
that.
their hands. My statement was like their hands overshare just because of
Okay, yeah,
ego
yeah,
vibe.
yeah.
So look, if you know what's if you chop that one and then you put it to the gents, you know what's I feel if it wasn't
And then I call him same day, Mochela Matia to emergency door, Chopin uno.
I'm gonna let you take it next. If it's feeling as a feeling, then a person like
I'm not feeling.
I don't lean. I mean, like you say, talking stage. Talking stage.
Imagine what's wrong with chopping on the first day, on the first day, if that's the case.
She's your role. When you feel, you don't show.
No, she's just feeling it.
Nah, feeling what?
You tinted about.
Nah, I got a people.
Oi.
It's either listen instances. It's either when they came in still or she has done it before.
Yes.
One of the two.
Yes. Chemistry is there. I wonder if the girl is feeling like in front of my total girl, like
And then the Koreans are unexpected.
Yeah.
And you play now and
let's say for example, I will kill like that of virgin. So to Kelly like Katenum cheat in my car, I'm talking like as I am cheat as I know this one. Yeah. So as a mother so no the bakulis around the culture your floor. Okay, so you don't cheat for like years, 2 years stuff. I figure for
even more.
Cheat away week within 1 week.
Facts. You're not lying, boy. You're not lying.
That's all. It comes down to this.
I don't feel like to be with Katsa, like
it's chemistry, boy.
No,
sometimes I say
It's chemistry.
No, the mood. Like that's the most chilly good thing we had, and we had. Regardless ukuthi ugelo ya uthanda kangakanani meke ngafuni awugela ngakuthanda ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke but then meke ngikhorela that is why we see nama case abhayi we rape
okay, that one is a fact.
Yeah, but then yabona leyo ukuthi uguy for first day inhlangano dog lebe sekisijelile vele ukuthi now I'm going to give it on
Mara sometimes it's get to notice for like a phone in.
Yeah, why maybe for 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
And then my figure the first time like ending. It happens.
Ugel meke suka le asuka khona isiyabuwe dog. Uyazi ukuthi uyenza.
So this is Jelile.
So this is Jelile ukuthi vele
all the way from KZN to
exactly uyazi ukuthi uzabuwe.
He's getting trouble.
Unless it's mhlangana public. Yabo like sinohlangana McDonald's or whatsoever. But the makers are going straight over. We ask but there are higher chances, 90% can happen.
She's aware.
By calculating, but not most. That time we came together. Now it's jelly good time.
Yes.
Now it's jelly good time. So she like so natural, like so when happy, simple, maybe let's say maybe we move or something. Like random
conversation, basic flow.
The mood. Didn't na so. Didn't so baba, but then you're gonna say like kanja. As you guys have that, it's not like complaining like I want to say that.
It happens like so even and message you don't have to look uchorabantu ngenyindlela ukuthi mhlambe is fair or anything. You don't have to look at it like that.
Yeah.
Just take it as if it happens.
Take it like you can look it in 2 ways. It happened. Oh, she's done it before. If she's done it before, so go to try it. It's my first time doing this, you know. I've never done this before. Like, like I'm a virgin. We are she virgin, and I about what okay to it can't be good.
Sometimes I feel like they come from there and they clean, and then when they get here, they get peer pressured by other people that aren't Zulu. You know, like they say, like they're new friends. They're talking. No, I got smashed by this guy. They'll feel like excluded. Yeah. So eventually they're gonna do it to fit in.
Can I ask you just a question outside of this topic? Is it a flex to sleep with many girls, to have a higher body count as a gent?
Not be sleeping.
Yeah, fair.
No.
It's not a flex.
Nah, it's not. Okay, I thought it was a flex before, yabo.
It's a flex to the gents.
To the gents, yeah, when it comes to it. But
To
then,
the
yeah.
gents.
In terms of chance, I mean.
And so
Yeah, in terms of like
Gents.
gents, or like you can make it in terms of gents, or and then you generalize. Like,
Sure.
Okay, in terms of gents, yeah, it is. But then,
Wow, Shilanja.
yazi amachita sinjani mfana. Yazi how yinja mfana, hey, yabo, like,
yeah.
yeah.
You can't pull up to a squad of niggas and be like, gents, you church. Or I'm a
Oh,
break shit.
I about it. Say fine.
Why is it possible to go to Munda and put up a chance at time I'm facing a church? But another person can put up my chance at time I'm a chance of seeing the plate.
Amara, do you think it's possible for gents to be celebrates?
It's not.
It's
not.
What's
Ah.
being chichi? Chichi, yeah, I understand, but then chichi, like, machitin.
You haven't done it before. It happens. There are
It
some
happens.
gents who are in
Yeah.
uni even today that can claim.
They haven't.
I know it.
Like it happens. It happens. I've encountered quite a few. Not here, back when I was still in vet. It happens. 5 gents. I should be like people like me.
Sikoda. Yeah.
It depends on what you value. To answer your question,
Yeah, bro.
it depends what you like. What do you value the most as a person? You value long-term relationship or pressure page, and you luma the apple, luma la paya. Yeah, depends what you value in as a person. If you value maybe being with girls, you want to move as a young woman, I want to cheat, if you value what me all I do is like children in the Mazan. All I do is smash here. Like was smash about for now, like for the short term trip, him now like him now we go. But in the long run, most of it also value something different to value spirits are and energy. I also value but I think it's not a flex.
Yeah.
But in other way, we are going to count Pumala, Pamachita Vumeka.
Yeah.
Pumala would get Pamachita rest, but I said, Tinasawa.
That's it.
Oh, wait,
That's it.
nyazola linda walizani nyazola linda walisikotwa ukabona moyizwa emjide umuntu noyi1 kuba ngathi vele like ekhivara mara no like sengizwa machita bhaya khuluma ngasho ukuthi
It was a slaughterhouse, man.
Hey, man. Hey.
Ngisasho manje ngisasho ukuthi ngakumnandi bebaboostike yakho like kuba khona nanomuhambo and into ebengitshela yona ukuthi wayezathola bibe walala nabogela abayi3 or maybe like i3 bhaya walala nogela i1 ukuthi uthole umunye kuba simple plan like ngoba energy yakho like i-sexual capability yakho say high so uyacaba ukuthi so attract ugela i1 you know you can attract another one nalo uyakuhlanya like kuba idrama like le thrill enjoy and amachita ngaphandle bayakuvuma bayasho ukuthi yantwana yami
Hey, Mara boy, you know, in the I mean, I'm gonna make my argument to be based in my kick. My kicking is very small. So in the room, you know, if you would chop, and then later, most of us like there's no possibility of them connecting. And then later, I'm going to say, you start realizing I'm a fuck up. And then also to man, when I've been like that, you are, and then also to man, all along when I feel very like your beats. And mind you, they make it seem like you were here multitasking them at the same time.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Different scenarios.
short term.
Nakhona akuthi different scenario ngoba i-transition bosuka la ungena la and the transition
It
ekuyambuza
happened to me a lot. Yeah.
Hey Chief, it happened last year. Last year it was a mass. So we were living a very telenovela life. It happened last year to like, you meet girls that you don't think you could bayazana and stuff. Jiggy, all of a sudden you find them in the same space.
bashuta amavideo
Bashuta
bapostana
Yo,
It's easy.
you brought them together.
basically
And the source of a friendship.
And they are also
the source of the friendship yabo into ezinjani
Common facts.
Abakhuluma nazo uthi ngiphatha kanjani ngiphatha
And bayakhuluma abogela bayakhuluma mfana.
Abogela bayakhuluma. But then abogela abathandani.
Sazi mama perform kahle Jensen.
How we?
Bayakhuluma but low key abathandani. Like okay.
That one. Oh yeah. You were saying abogela abathandani.
Abogela abathandani though. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngezinto ezenzakalayo no one. But then okay kune situation like yenzakalayo yabo. So ngisithole kwenye situation whereby now ngikhuluma nomunye uchela ne. Like okay as Joey we basically friends yabo. Yeah, we trying to
with the B. Yeah.
Nah.
The one I'm about to say Joel. It's you saying but you are friends with the B.
Nah, not even my brother. Yeah.
Mm.
So now
It's just a situation.
so now I'm crashing on the other one.
Situation.
Nivumelana ngento enye.
Your time, boy.
So mina ngikhashela lo angazwani nalo.
The other one.
So manje no just because no ungibone ngikhuluma nalo. So sengiyile ntuzana nami sengiyile nto lokuthi no akasangikhulumi like okay angaze ngikhulume naye but then ngibone mengimbulisa some other time ukabona nje maybe
control no.
Yangithola and ngiyazibuza ukuthi ibuya because angaze ngikhulume naye asazani ngale ndlela leyo yabo stuff like that. Now I thought ukuthi maybe akangibheka ngale lihlo lelo but then now bese ngigubha kahle le ndaba le ngiyabona ukuthi hey man lento lisuka la ukuthi ngibone ngathi ngiclose nalo yena abazwani manje and uma usubhekile into enza ukuthi bangazwani angiboni
Where this was?
Nah before ngifika bebangazwani
Bebangazwani.
Yeah before ngifika bebangazwani
But manje the fact ukuthi ukhuluma lomunye sekuya ghost. It's a thing of mhlambe she feels like you betrayed your friendship with her and then you chose the person that you know very well that they don't get along with.
Oh before ne ukutshelile ukuthi akazwani naye. Okay la reasons ukuthi abangazwani.
Ungitshelile ama reasons and mangathi ngibhekela ama reasons akhona manje. I don't.
So then I thought mina it was a case of by wena mokhuluma nalo yamunye she was thinking ukuthi utshela yena indaba zayo indaba
listen
yeah I can't feel she might feel like you know how girls are
yeah listen I've never angaze ngikhulume na okay lo nyamkhashela nje angaze ngikhulume naye then lo bengakajwayelani naye kakhulu maka like we're trying to like sense a friendship nyalo kwabo like sizama ukubuild a friendship and like it's kind of working yabo. So now since angitshela ukuthi like akazwani nalo ke lo and now ngibone ukuthi like mina that time ngimapproach lo ke that's when I realized ukuthi hey man shukuthi kahle the reason angayicontrol lo ke it's because of akazwani nalo ke yeah so I thought at first that time ngimla ngithi maybe angibheka ngale lihlo lelo maybe yeah nyambo or something yabo. So now bese ngibheka kahle no ngiyabona ukuthi like isuka la lento le
so amachele yakhona bagoqa
ne true
yeah
and now I can't angikwazi
maka mina ngazingene indaba zane baxabalele bona mina sifika la
exactly
the fact that they are starting to one of them starting to beef him it means ukuthi indirectly so sekayamfaka implicate umenza ukuthi mhlawumbe he's a source kanti he's not
before it gets deep mina angicacisele lo kelo ukuthi mfana I know 1 2 3 1 2 3 it's happening mina I'm not involved in lento zenu so nina if na beef and beefing too I won't choose sides ukuthi sini ngibona ngihamba nalo then wena ngibona ngihamba nalo I won't get down
and
but it's always going to be awkward
kahle I wanted to emphasize
yeah it's going to be awkward at first yeah
I wanted to emphasize the ndaba ukuthi like why like they beefing over is dumb and like
uyabazi utshelo akafona utshelo ubona umunye uchere ejabule like bazobeef because snacks
because I had any conversation nomunye uchere yabona uchere lo serious like lo jolo ku serious for azobona ku SK nana so I had a similar conversation naye so he uthi kimi okay uchere ngabifa na nomunye uchere ngoba muhle ukudlula yena
yes
or yeah or maybe uthola more attention yamachita yeah so ngiphinde ngizibuza
boyfriend akayicrusha at a distance
yeah then ngizibuza ukuthi why
there's a lot
why measure
and then but don't bang with the boys
yeah then ngizibuza ukuthi why kwamele fike to that stage ukuthi kahle labantu laba bayaloya lokhi
inhliziyo yeah ngenhliziyo
because cause ungachita ne uchitele ugele ngogele obhilongile so angeke azafile
angeke abe phased
yeah uzovela like aphume la okay uzokwata mara ngeke akwate to that extent then
ngitshitele ngogele omuhle
ngitshitele mfana esitolo
divine story uzokuhlangana and uzokhoza idrama uzokulandelela
I find it vice versa man.
it's vice versa.
Yeah, if ugelo uzomchithela nogelo omuhle akakuniki ukushisa that much but umchithela nogelo ngaphansi kwakhe kodwa mina ngabuzwa kuthiwa ngahlasa abantu bathiwa uboneni mina ngibona ugelo great futhi ngizona but buyena ngecomparison yakhe
uyabona nawe
ukuthi yena ungaphezulu wangibuza cash mfethu ukuthi mfethu yini uboneni lapho ngathi athi uboneni yabo so and then if it's vice versa kugelo omuhle uthi makacasuka mfethu ubona into ukuthi hey mara yami ebekumele uchiye yabo inhliziyo
abongana choice
so when I feel like okay if ukuthi ugelo uchithe naye more it's either she's on par with her or ungaphezulu kwakhe she's not going to give you much of that quarrel uzokuxolela but if uzomchithela nogelo mfana ongayenzi sense not ukuthi khona ugelo ongayenzi sense display not khona ugelo ongayenzi sense but you know how girls are in their eyes how they judge others so in their eyes if she feels like the other girl is call the boy
I mean I feel like it's the like exact opposite because
no man okay awubheki makeup yakhe njani like why sifike nini la awubheke ini yakhe njani like
but that's a point of self introspection as a girl like we insecure yazi into mo insecure ngani she sports lo muntu bebenza kanje
that's what I thought here before
so it's a difference in now ukuthi if ngichita nomuntu ophezulu uzoyilandele yazi pizza
ayipheli
yazi ngathi ka ayipheli ngathi ubadisile ngathi ka unencosi naye ngathi manje singayibheki mama ndiyayika baby mama dam yakulandele shothi ukuthi vela azwakala zophula amawindo.
I mean, I feel like it's just it becomes a banter, like it becomes one of those jokes about avele humble don't be near like she doesn't take it that deep as to when uzomchithela nochelo omncane. I feel like it hits deeper when uzomchithela nochelo I feel like
ngazothi anyeka asaba comfortable mfana.
Uzomsama standards boy because like angithi uyabona ukuthi
mfana ipheli yabona leyo
she sees your capabilities once you get wabona ukuthi kahle is capable of pulling an AMG ngiyangithola if you are capable of pulling an AMG uhamba ngeCorolla she knows ukuthi cha mina as a Corolla kumele ngiqale manje ngiyisila ngiyastansa ngiba something
ngiyathola spray
ngichange engine exhaust intuma bupha
but that doesn't spark insecurity kuye uzoba insecure because manje sekazophilela wena the whole life yakhe seyisenzana abantu umchitha
that's why it become like that vele however ngokwengqondo that's the fact ngokubuka kwami mina ngifila ngazuthi like yabo makakubona ukuthi unocherotho as much as yes it's gonna spark insecurities but also it's gonna push her ngendlela ukuthi ashintshe ezinye izinto because it's gonna start as much as it's gonna start questioning her ukuthi like yini angayenzi nenjani but kuzoba nzima ukuthi actually because uyabona ukuthi you are capable of pulling another 10
and that's what happens ukuthi mangabe umchitha abogel let's say okay la join line ku talking stage and like aku talking stage nama number akhe nje for some reason I'm sorry then uhamba naye that same girl nangakubona hamba nomunye girl omuhle uphila yena uzofuna ukulandelela uzokulandelela straight uzofuna ka ukuthi
they want to prove themselves.
Tactic 101 boy tactic 101 get a girl's number, leave her there to view your status. You know how after creating the stuff, leave her there to view your status. Let her realize herself because I want this guy. You will see few days later down the line when you reach out to her, it's gonna be like, oh, it's gonna be easy. Tactic 101. If
you guys are
on the first
sometimes it's necessary.
On the first episode with the girl's number for the whole semester. Yeah, nasekathala sikamfuni ngicela amala idea. Ngoba because uyabona ukuthi the out there imphula amamuza 2 3 yenza 1
sometimes it's necessary like yabona sometimes you have to if uzobona ukuthi okay don't get it all chances are there but not now. Don't delete the number. Let it stay there on the statuses. They don't view the status and what. It's going
Nakhuluma
to
next now.
eventual.
Nakhuluma next.
Uqala ngokuthi a-react ama-status wakho. Njalo uma upostile uya-react. Njalo uma upostile.
Lento ethize ka. Ubona sokureacta yena ayi-one yabona.
Uyabona let's
Yabona. Lento ethize. Wena usibhalele ukuthi God is good. Uyareacta.
Even God is good is best. Mhlawumbe uzofaka nje vethi mimi yakho ungatheli ufake ukuthi yabo. Or ungahambi ibhuti yabona ungahambi. Ufake mfethu okay yaqala uyambona anethoka ama-6 or 5 now it's time to see this one. Sekambheka.
Yazi ngikhanda like ne situation enjalo like.
Sho ukuthi on.
But then angazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
Amayenzi lutho ungayihambi direct.
Ngayila ukuthi nawe the minute uzoyina yazi mnandi kanjani we realize after ukuthi man dana ngibona ukuthi vele like ama status am. But if ubona immediately let's say mega show signs of interest then immediately ufuna ukujumpela phezulu kwayo like it will be too much uzoyimosha.
It's like a fish
like a fish hook. So then yeah.
Mara, how do you know when to?
Exactly, that's my point. That's what I
Just to
want
jump in.
Yeah.
Just also like good. If I don't care, let's say okay, a difference in okay lokuluma na. Niyakhuluma every day. Yeah, na should be the one I was like seeing. What are we doing here?
Yeah.
That's when you know.
Do you think it's gonna get to that stage?
Nobody.
Sometimes it does.
Yeah.
Sometimes things just happen.
Yeah, it just happened.
Yeah.
Send me sana hope babe, I love you. Ulale kahle. Good night. Every day.
You know, ngathi yenza kanjani? Ngathi yenza angithi sokumbonile ukuthi aqala ngokuthi okay, look at the areas. Uvele umlindi ukuthi asipostele like sometime later. Uma
when you comment kancane.
Yabona must come sizochila. Oh, just gonna
Then you're going
Oh, that's when you start to press the buttons.
Exactly.
Nah, just, but
It
let's
just
run it
happens
back.
naturally.
Let's run it back. You said she's gonna come to you. In my opinion, not many girls can.
Yeah,
If she likes
approach
you,
a hand.
if she likes you,
Approach a
if-
guy.
No, they don't come.
They don't approach.
Come Kala, go states. I'm going she's been liking your statuses.
Man, liking a status is fun.
Even before the
Liking a status for me, like fun, like Naminyas like status even if like I'm not.
but consecutively.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
Consecutive.
It's like
stalking, yeah.
doing my TikTok account.
Yeah, there's an account every day. My video account every day.
It's stalking behavior. Like it's giving that. I'm going to go born like.
What if I'm kind of inspired about like something
Even before.
like okay, personal fun. I mean, I can like your I'm a status work, but I don't feel none.
Sesivala James ngifuna ukubuza like wena manibuka mfethu like DStv Premiership ihamba noba this season esaf
It has to be Paris though. I'm a Paris fan. I'm a Paris fan and I'm ngoba I'm a Paris fan. Like ngayikhuluma lento le okay as a viewer nje not as a fan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Sundowns idlale kanjani the last game?
idrowile so it's like a 1 point difference Pirates isangaphezulu 57 yeah.
So Pirates now ngifeel ngathi izoyithatha.
Pirates is the one with the bones. No?
Yeah.
They take it home.
I feel like man, for the benefits of the game,
Whoa!
Njengekhiza yabona ikhiza kuma-Nedbank I'm a Pirates fan but I was vouching for ikhiza I was saying if ikhiza can take Nedbank it would be nice because kudala bengayithathi uyabona mawukuthi ukubheka iPirates have been chasing the league and to check the fact that Sundowns kudala ilokhu iyithatha it would be nice to have a different team ezoyithatha at least izobuya egame next year siyazi
Pirates switching.
yabo so it's gonna be the league is getting more and more competitive. So if another team gets to take it, next year we know what another team is defending the league. It's gonna be nice.
Okay. Yeah. But like, I feel like you still in this topic. So let's talk about something different and before we close.
Yeah, because I don't write.
I get it. So what's happening with Drake? Is it dropping an album or something?
Dropping on the 15th.
On the 15th.
I saw
Release the date. Because it dropped that ice stage.
Yeah. Someone
was that real? Was that
it was real. Yeah. It
it was staged the way like by keeping a corner into there.
Exactly. Like I knew.
But you know what's crazy to me? You guys are aware of the beef that happened between Kendrick and Drake.
Yeah.
Boy, guess what?
Kendrick 5 men.
Kendrick Fireman also on the 15th of May.
Singers, singers,
Bro,
Kendrick you mentioned it, and
no boy. Like, I saw it on TikTok originally. Then I'm like, no,
you're my
it's
fan.
not. Then I'm like,
Yeah,
let me
because
look
now-
it up. Let me
yeah.
look it up. Once you Google straight, it's happening. Boy.
Singers,
Kendrick Fireman.
Fireman.
But now look
Yeah,
about it.
clean my
It's giving cloud chasing.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
Drake
it's a
was the
bit
first
big.
one to come out with the Iceman.
Yeah,
type
exactly,
of-
exactly.
But then
And
at some point,
ah,
I feel like Kendrick is a good marketer, dog. Because
Marketing strategy.
Yeah,
yeah,
like-
leech vibes,
come
dog.
on.
Giving
You
leech
know,
vibes.
let me tell you what's
Giving
gonna
leech
happen.
vibes.
Like when
No.
they were beefing,
okay, then cool.
Kendrick was calm. Like no one really used to care about Kendrick's music. You know, like we were aware of him, but then when they started beefing with Drake, released not like us. Did you see how he went
It
public?
is like 2 consecutive albums.
Exactly, bro. He's popping off of Drake, dog. People are gonna start saying,
But now-
you're popping off of Drake. You only make hits when you're dissing Drake.
So do you think, as a big artist, do you think that is a label that is supposed to follow you?
No, exactly. That's what I'm saying. He shouldn't release that fire, man.
But
the timing is just off.
at some point, I feel like hip hop is dead. Like because Kendrick was like evolve at some point because like it becomes more interesting. Yeah, but now, Drake dropper and Kendrick we are dropper and then now they kind of beefing stuff like that. Like it makes hip hop more interesting.
Mara, the thing is,
Yeah,
man,
you know, you have
another
a
thing
point,
is
you have
that
a point.
we are talking about Drake at 2024. I wonder if wife will pay for him, he should have went for Drake at 2011.
Mm.
The young Drake, the young version of Drake, that was right.
The hungry one.
The hungry one. You see now it's
So
a different version
so
of
so
Drake.
so low key, you telling me like Kendrick is hungry?
It's more hungry than him.
Nah.
No,
say
not
that.
hungry like Arana Nix, but I'm just saying like
It's hungry for
Drake,
fame.
Drake
He wants
has
something.
been like in his peak like that in terms of rap.
Yeah.
2011 Drake
2011,
going backwards. That's Drake going at it. No one was beefing Drake at the time. There was a reason. He can take you bar for bar. But now it's just making music.
Drake is gold.
It's just making music.
I'm a fan of Drake, but then I also love Kendrick.
It's like the beef of T.I. and 50.
Hey, my brother, let's close it.
Yeah, let's close it. But then at least to fit it in and then yeah. Shout out my favorite originators. We thank you, and let's hope we will see you guys can will subscribe, will like the videos and comment. Yeah. So shout out.
Next time they're bringing shorties to the show.
Oh yeah, you must take
Listen, they're supposed to be here. Though.
They must tell us
They're
who
supposed to
are
be here.
better cheaters.
And then, from their point of view.
Yeah.
But
But then,
So we
Shout
can
out to
test the
people.
theory afterwards, you know what I'm saying?
Okay,